Is Provision application crashing because of the PSI Key 2 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Don't let PSI Key 2 slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the PSI Key 2, the Protexis Licensing client library. It manages the unmanaged authentication of software installations, facilitating the secure data link between the client and the licensing service manifest. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. To resolve this, keep in mind that PSI Key 2 DLL is typically installed with Provision application. Reinstalling the latest version of Provision application from the official developer source will restore any missing or corrupted application files, including the missing library. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing PSI Key 2 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. It is important to avoid manual installation of PSI Key 2 DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing PSI Key 2. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve PSI Key 2 dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.